Welcome to Photoshop Quickies. I'm Dave Coach. Today we're going to look at Photoshop Actions. Photoshop Actions are a one-click that does a lot of different things. Super powerful and guaranteed to save you some time while you're editing. Let's take a look. So get into Photoshop and you need to have the Action tab here on the side. And that will open up just like that. If it's not there, just go up to Windows, Actions, and click on that. And there you go. Notice that I have a My Actions area. That's really important. That's where all the actions that I've written reside. So you want to create a new action. What's something that we always do? Well, one thing is adding a matte. You click matte, you always get a white matte. What if you are always adding black mattes? I find black mattes are more easy than white mattes. Why not make an action to create a black matte? So just go down here to create a new action and call it make black matte. Something descriptive so you know what it is. You want it in My Actions because then you can export your actions and reload them, when you upgrade your computer or something like that. Function key is what function key is going to call this action. So you can pick any of the function keys. Keep in mind that many of these function keys already do something. So pick something that isn't going to screw anything up. One of the ways you can do this is to pick, say, F2 and add Shift to it, or Command Shift. So you can add all of those here to make it something that's unique and different. And then if you want, you can add a color. Doesn't really matter. I don't know what that does. Then once you're ready, you hit record. And then all you do is actually do what you want the action to do. So you can do a whole series of actions. Here, all we're going to do is hold down Option, click the matte key, and now we've got a black matte. Once we're done, we come back up here and stop the recording. And now that action is done and recorded and repeatable every time you hit the function key that you designated. That was just a simple example. What you can actually do, the possibilities are endless. Just think of things that you do often and that you do repetitively and turn those into an action. That's going to save you a ton of time. Some of the things that I've done is to align all my images. I always forget where that is in the menu system, so it helps to have just a quick button to do that. Well, I hope you learned something. If so, make sure to like and subscribe, and may your next shoot be your best shoot.